Hey guys, welcome to all in our video. In this video, we are going to solve very important concept. We are going to learn very important concept of operator precedence. So how can we solve the question? Because it is very important concept in Python class 12. Many of the question directly came in the examination like that. Evaluate the following expression. Then there are different type of operator we have, and then we have to solve on the priority basis that which operator has to be solved first and then second. So we have to solve on that basis. So for that we have to learn about operator precedence. It means that what are the operator which we are going to give the first priority and then second priority and then so on. So we are going to learn about that. So this is the operator precedence. First of all, what is operator precedence? Operator precedence is nothing, as I have told you earlier. It is a series, okay, which consists of different type of operator, and it consists of if there is a mixed expression and mixed operator, then we have to solve according to the priority. This is for example, this is highest and this is lowest, okay. So we have to solve on the priority basis, that which we are going to solve like that. We'll take a very various question, and according to that we will solve like that, okay. So we are going to solve like that. So tune with us, so let's proceed ahead, okay. So here is our first question, which we have to which we're supposed to follow. This question is very important, and this question is also included in the CBSE sample question paper 2020. So we are going to solve that 6 into 3 in the, okay. So first of all, operator precedence. As you have seen earlier, let me show you if you have not seen earlier. There are different kind of operation, and one thing which has not been written here, but one thing you have to keep in mind, that after before solving this question, one thing you have to keep in mind: always try to left, always try to solve according to left to right, left to right. It means this is also called left to right associative rule. It means that we have to solve the expression according to left to right associative. From here we will start, and here it will end, okay. This is the left to right associative. But there is some kind of exception which exists in case of exponential operator. In case of exponential operator, you have to solve right to left priority. Are you getting it? You have to solve according to left to right priority. So we are going to solve. We'll take up one question and various question, and we'll learn that how can we apply this into the real life. So let us take one question. So here we are. So we are going to solve this. So first of all, as I have told you earlier, we have to solve this. So first of all, what is the operator precedence? What is the operator precedent of this expression? First of all, try to identify the operator that all the operator that is given in the question. The first one is multiplication operator. Then we have an exponential operator. Then we have a floor division operator, and then we have a subtraction any minus operator. So we have to solve 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to solve this priority on the priority basis. So look, here is the second question. First of all, look that here it is an exponential operator we have, okay. Then we have a minus, plus and minus operator that we have, okay. Always remember one thing, that exponential operator let me write the operator precedence here. Wait a minute, let me write the operator precedence here, okay. Here we are. So first of all, first priority is given to exponential operator, which is denoted by 2 asterisk. Then we have multiplication, single asterisk. Then we have division. Then we have a floor division, and then we have modulus operator, that gives us remainder. Now you must be wondering that all the this four all have the same priority. Then how can we solve? As I have told you earlier, we have to follow, if they have the same priority, then we have to solve according to the left to right associative. And in the case of exponential operator, we have to follow according to different. This is an exception which you need to keep in your mind. We have to solve right to left priority, okay. So we are going to solve. Why I am insisting much on theory? Because theory are more important. Many people just didn't know the theory, and they simply go and solve the question, where that will often cause error. So that's why I'm insisting much on theory, that so that you can keep these things in your mind. Now here we are. So first of all, what I have written here, first of all we have written here exponential, then multiplication, okay. Then we have a division, then we have floor division, then we have modulus operator, then we have a plus and minus operator, and then we have not like. So we have this type of operator. I think that with this operator we can do our work. Yes, we can do it, because this operator, all in this question, multiplication operator exists, exponential operator exists, floor division operator exists, and then we have minus operator exists. So we can solve this, and this is according to like this. this has highest priority and this is lowest priority. So we're going to solve. First of all, we'll solve that 6 into 3. So 6 into 3 will we solve first? No. First of all, 4 into 4, keep power 2. That will be solved first. 4 is to power 2 will be solved first. So 6 into 3 will exist like this. 6. Okay, let me erase this. Sorry for that. Let me erase this. Okay. Wait a second. Bear with me. Wait a second. So we have like that. So first of all, it will remain like that. 6. Let me take different color. 6 into 3 will remain like same, and then plus will also remain the same. This will be evaluated first. 4 raised to power 2, that is equal to 60. So we'll write here 60. Then we have floor division, and then we have 5 minus 8. Now this operator and this operator, they have the same priority. So we are going to solve according to left to right priority. Okay, left to right associative rule. We are going to make use of associative rule that says that if we have different type of operator, then which has same priority, then we then use left to right associative rule. So 6 into 3, 18 plus 16. Okay, now it will evaluate. You can also evaluate it here as well directly. Let me do it directly here. Okay, look, 60 divided by 60, floor division 5. Floor division will return, quotient, but only integer part. So 5 3 50. So it will be like 3 minus, and this will be 8. Okay, then we are going to solve 80 plus 3 and minus all have the same property, but we are going to solve according to left to right associativity. So 80 plus 3 will be evaluated first, and this will be like 21 minus 8. Okay, and then here it will come 13. So last answer would be 13, and that answer is 13. Why I'm taking so much time in that? It's all because theory is more important. You can solve any question if you know the theory, but if you don't know the theory, then you will then it is must that you will get stuck in various questions. You will get stuck in some type of question. So theory is most important. What are the things which you keep to mind? I'm reminding it again. First thing which you have to keep in mind, if the operator precedence that we have. The second thing which you have to keep in mind, the left to right associative rule. If there are some operator which has the same precedence, then you have to follow left to right associative rule, which I have demonstrated it here as well. If you have the exponential operator, then in that case there is an exception for the exponential operator. In that case, we have to solve right to left associative. So in this we can solve like that. Okay. 2 plus 3 will get the solve. Once you get the theory, you can solve you can solve it without any hesitation. 2 plus 3 into 4 modulus 2 divided by 4. So plus, we have first of all identify the operator. We have plus operator, we have multiplication operator, we have and floor division operator, we have and plus minus operator, we have. So this operator, multiplication operator and floor division, they have the same priority, and then plus and minus comes next to him. So this is highest and this is lowest. Okay, so 2 plus 3, first of all, what will be evaluated? This will be evaluated left to right associate. So 2 plus, okay, 2 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so let me erase this. Let me directly evaluate this. We have less space. 3 into 4, that is directly equal to 12 divided by modulus 2, divided by modulus 2 minus 4, then 2 plus 2 6 12, 2 6 minus 4, 6 plus 2 8. Now look, let me take you one thing. 2 plus 6 and minus 4, you can either evaluate this and I can either evaluate this. There is a confusion between them. No, 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 no. What I have told you, plus and minus has the same priority. It means that we have to follow the associative rule. It means we are going to solve left to right, from here to here. Okay, so 2 plus 6 will be evaluated first, so it will be 8, and then minus 4, and then we have final answer as 4, and this is our final answer. Okay, this is our final answer. So in this way you can solve any number of question. It all depends on that. Thank you so much for having your time. I hope you have got it. If you have any query and if you want a note of that, then please leave in the comment section. I'll try to and if you have any query, then please leave the comment section. I'll try to sort out your query. Thank you so much for having your time. Thank you. So we'll take one more question. That is the question is written here. 10 modulus 3 minus 10 for division 3. So what are the operator? I told you earlier. First of all, identify the operator that we have. So here we have modulus operator, minus operator, and float division operator. Modulus operator. So first of all, what is the priority for that? We know that modulus operator and float division operator, they have the same priority. They have the same priority. Okay. And plus and minus comes below them. Plus and minus comes below them. Okay. So first of all, plus and minus will be for, first of all, modulus will be solved and float division will be solved, and then plus and minus will be plus and minus will be solved. So we are going to solve this. Let me erase this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, here we are. So 10 modulus 3, we know modulus will leave the remainder. So 10 modulus 3 is 1, because if we divide 3 modulus 10, then it would be 3, 9, and remainder would be 9. So modulus gives remainder. So 1 will be the remainder. So 3 modulus 2 will be the remainder. Why I'm solving this first and not this first? Yes, I have told you earlier as well. We have to follow left to right associative rule. Okay. So look, let me do this. Here we are. So 1 minus 10 modulus 3. 10 modulus 3, it means it will give what? It will give quotient. Okay. Only the integer part of that. 3. So 3 9. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. That is the answer. And now after solving this much question, this question is enough for you. Now try to do practice on your own, and if you have any doubt, just try to leave in the comment section. Again, we are going to take up one question that was an error. So we have also take one more question as well. So thank you so much. Thank you.